Hello, this is Mrs. Priya Deshpande from Dr. H.R. Gajwani College of Education, Adipur. In my videos, I will be speaking on various important topics of B.Ed curriculum or a teacher education curriculum, and also posting my videos of online classes for B.Ed students. Let us first understand what is teacher education. As the name suggests, teacher education is educating the teachers. It is teaching teachers how to teach. B.Ed or a teacher education program is thus a sensible way of developing an individual into a good teacher. A teacher who is able to bring out the best from every child. A teacher who will be able to channelize the energies of the learner in a better way, the best way. So, let us see the areas that are covered well in a teacher education program. Some of the most important areas I will be discussing in these videos. One of the most important aspect that is taught in the teacher education program is understanding the learner. For a teacher, it is very important to understand a learner. Now for this, the student teacher is guided for understanding the psychological and sociological basis of education very well. These bases help an individual to know how to understand an individual. Thus, a teacher is able to understand the learner in the classroom. The psychological theories and the various facts related to the psychology of an individual help the student teacher to understand a student of various age groups. Other most important quality that is being developed in a student teacher is the way of transacting curriculum in the classroom. The students who come for this program are generally the graduates or postgraduates in any discipline. So they become teacher of one of their special subjects when they go to teach in the schools. Hence, the knowledge of a teacher is very important. So, students are given enough exposure to develop their content knowledge very well. And the methods are being taught to them for teaching in the classroom, depending on their subjects. The student teachers are also guided for developing the classroom management skills and communicating skills very well by the teacher educators. So, transacting curriculum, similarly managing the classroom well, and using very good communicative skill requires a good exposure to the student teacher so that he or she is able to practice the same and develop the same well during the teacher education program. So, during our practical section of B.Ed curriculum, the students are being exposed to the classroom situation where they practice how to transact the curriculum of any particular subject very well in the classroom, as well as they get an opportunity to manage the class and use their communicative skill very well in the classroom so that there is effective learning by the students in the classroom. Now, as we all know, another important quality a teacher must have is a good personality. Here, a good personality means a teacher should be an effective and influential individual for the learner. He or she must be able to impact the learner very well. Hence, some of the important aspects of the personality are groomed during the teacher education program by way of various activities that are undertaken by the college during the program. Hence, they become motivational, they become a motivating personality, they become happy personality, or they become understanding personality who are always enthusiastic to teach the students. All this is being taught in the 2 years duration to the student teachers, and our student teachers are ready to teach in the classroom. In my following videos, I will be discussing the various topics of B.Ed curriculum so that our student teacher can take help of my online classes as well as some of the topics discussed in my videos. Thank you. Thank you for listening.